Have you ever wondered why some homes seem to radiate peace and prosperity, while others, even when impeccably clean, carry a heavy, suffocating energy? The answer might literally be swept under the rug, or rather hidden behind your door. The place where you store your broom could secretly be undermining your happiness, health, and even your finances. Ancient Buddhist teachings have warned about the hidden power of this simple household object for millennia. What you don't know about your broom might be costing you dearly in every aspect of your life. This knowledge, passed down through generations from master to disciple, reveals the forbidden places for your broom and how a simple adjustment can unlock a flow of prosperity, harmony, and well-being in your life. The broom, a common object in our homes, carries surprising power according to Feng Shui principles. It's not just a cleaning tool, but a conductor of vital energy capable of completely renewing our living environment. This ancient wisdom teaches that when we sweep, we can clean not only visible dirt, but also stagnant energies that prevent us from prospering. Once, a woman came seeking help, her eyes brimming with tears. She felt trapped in an endless cycle of difficulties, her home having become a heavy, suffocating place. She viewed cleaning as a thankless burden without purpose. After learning about the power of the broom and how this simple object could transform her reality, she began to approach sweeping as a sacred purification ritual. Each movement became an opportunity to clear not just the floor, but also negative thoughts and emotions. Weeks later, she returned completely transformed, with a new light in her eyes. The simple act of sweeping had become a moment of reflection and renewal in her day, leading to subtle changes in her life, greater mental clarity, more harmonious relationships, and unexpected opportunities. The energy flow in our homes, known as chai, influences every aspect of our lives. The broom serves as a powerful conductor of this energy, and its position can either facilitate or obstruct this vital flow, directly impacting our quality of life. Incorrect broom placement can create energy barriers, manifesting as frequent arguments, financial difficulties, recurring health problems, or a general sense of stagnation. The most appropriate place to store a broom is in a closed cabinet in the service area or in a discreet kitchen corner. These spaces are considered work and transformation areas, aligning with the broom's function. When storing it, keep the bristles pointing upward, symbolizing growth and attracting positive energies. Places to avoid. The entrance. Your home's entrance is an energy portal. Placing the broom here can inadvertently sweep away opportunities and good energies. The bathroom. As a place of elimination, storing the broom here risks draining prosperity. The living room. The heart of the home, placing cleaning tools here can generate interpersonal conflicts and emotional imbalance. Before beginning any cleaning ritual, take a moment to center yourself. Breathe deeply and imagine yourself as a conductor of positive energy. While sweeping, do so with conscious intention, visualizing the removal of stagnant energies, worries, and negativity. Use positive affirmations like, "I am opening space for abundance and happiness in my life," or, "With each movement, I attract prosperity and harmony to my home." Consider enhancing the purification process with incense, sage, palo santo, or lavender after sweeping, especially in corners where energy feels stagnant. You can also seal the space with positive energy by spraying a mixture of water and essential oils while visualizing golden light filling the space. Remember that consistency is key in these rituals. Incorporate them into your regular cleaning routine, even if just once a week. Over time, you'll notice subtle but significant changes in your environment and life. Your home will become more welcoming, relationships more harmonious, and opportunities will flow more smoothly. A skeptical couple once sought help when their lives seemed to be falling apart. After noticing their broom behind the main door with bristles pointing downward, they were guided to make simple changes. Within a month, they experienced remarkable transformations: better sleep, reduced family tensions, new job opportunities, and improved overall well-being. The wisdom shared here isn't about imposing rules, but about connecting with ancient knowledge that can enrich your life. Each person has their own rhythm and needs. Sometimes it's the small gestures, like mindful broom placement, that connect us to the present moment's energy. Your home's energy reflects your own energy. When you organize and purify spaces with intention, you're also renewing your own strength. Remember, nothing is permanent or unchangeable. Each choice presents an opportunity for positive change in your life. Take this chance to transform your home into a sanctuary of peace and prosperity. If this resonates with you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's build a community of seekers who are ready to transform their lives with the timeless wisdom of Buddhist philosophy.